student Meena Dikshit here. Please subscribe my channel. All the best. God bless you. Hybridization in FeCO5, magnetic moment, and how do you get hybridization. And first of all, you should know that magnetic moment of FeCO5, it is asked. So mu magnetic moment of FeCO5 is 0. Why it is 0? Because it is having no unpaired electron. All electrons are paired, so its magnetic moment is 0. Now CO is neutral species. So CO is neutral species, so iron will remain in zero oxidation state. At that moment, we should know that configuration of iron is argon 18 3d6 4s2. Okay, so this is required, that is total 8 electrons are there, they will remain as such, no disturbance. So when this carbonyl group having very strong ligand, it is very strong ligand, that is why it will push all the electrons together. So 8 electrons will occupy over here, so the orbital remain empty. So 1d 1s and these 3 p orbitals are intermixed and we'll get 5 hybridized orbitals. They are all equivalent in nature. So again I have written this structure FeCO5. Here I told you about Fe. When it come in contact with strong ligand, it will empty the orbital and all these orbitals are free and they will intermix. 5 hybrid orbitals we will get. They are all equivalent. Now these 5 equivalent orbitals I write it separately. To understand it, it is not necessary that you have to give 2-mark question such a big length, but to understand it should be required. So 5 this empty orbitals are occupied by lone pair, one pair. Total 5 pair of electrons are there, given by, donated by CO. Okay, CO is a strong ligand and these electrons belong to CO. So all electrons are paired, so mu is equal to 0. Okay, because magnetic moment is equal to mu is equal to root of n plus 2, where n is equal to 0, no unpaired electron, so it will remain 0. So it will be paramagnetic in nature. This paramagnetism is lost, no paramagnetism, it is diamagnetic in nature, and the name of the compound is pentacarbonyl iron 0. Pentacarbonyl iron 0. Okay, clear? Pentacarbonyl iron, IRON 0. Clear? So in this way you understood that CO is very strong ligand, so it will pair up all these 8 electrons together. So empty d orbital is available, so dsp3 hybridization will take place, and in this way we will get trigonal pyramidal geometry. Okay, trigonal pyramidal geometry. Clear? Trigonal bipyramidal.